Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Rides is back. He's back with Luke Rides is back. And what we're going to learn here today is the Yamaha XT660R has had a bit of a problem on a Yamaha, Japanese. But it's not Yamaha engineering. But let's go through how we fixed the Yamaha and why the engine was cutting out. Yeah.
It's showtime. We're investigating a bit of a problem. The XT660R, she's just shutting down. She's just cutting out when the ignition's on and the engine's running. And so far we tracked it down to corrosion somewhere in the start button kill switch area. Which is,
I like that one. See if the shoe fits.
Question is, what are we going to find in there?
Looking for another.
Oh, she's Japanese as well. Why are you on children's work? She's like, going through so many winters. It's like, damn it. Bring the KTM 690 Duke. Need more power, dog. Wow, that's the inside.
Wonder if I just take the entire switch out.
Oh.
It's gonna be risky. Don't have a choice, do I? Let's get a better screwdriver.
That's the inside of the switchgear, the Yamaha XT. Somewhere the problem is in this area. Oh man. Just work! Just work! Got to remember this little piece of metal and the screw. It's like some sort of holder. Whoa!
Not sure how it's removed otherwise. I'm certainly not going to apply a whole ton of force to it to remove it, because this nylon will break and then the bike will need new switch gear.
Don't get this electrical contact cleaner in your mouth.
Fucking hate this stuff. I'll wash my hands off.
Very likely it's corrosion. It's causing the XT engine to cut out. Dousing the switch in electrical contact cleaner to hopefully clean the contacts and remove what corrosion and rust is in there. Hopefully we'll have a working good switch. So far, Yamaha XT is feeling better when I'm putting in the whatever that bracing plate is. Screw.
Why is it moving? Right, just for a little while. Can you actuate it, please?
Yep. So we're going to spend a few moments just actuating the kill switch, getting the contacts moving, getting the internals moving, working in that electrical contact cleaner. I'll do this for a little while. Just take your time. Keep going.
That's amazing.
Ignition on.
Try to start.
Start. Now the Yamaha XT660R just dying randomly is not happening anymore. So far so good.
Well, thank you for watching, everybody at Luke Rides. So yeah, to think that this is the problem with taking a motorcycle out in winter. Corrosion had got inside the start switch on the Yamaha XT660R. Remember, the Yamaha is computer control, fuel injection, computer control ignition, but because of corrosion inside the switch where the electrical wires are, the system was not making the correct connections because of corrosion was causing a disruption, causing a blockage in the system to stop the circuits from connecting, stopping the computer from doing what it needed to do to start the engine. So it all came down to corrosion. And that's what happens when you take a motorcycle through winter with the rain, the road salt, the cold, the road salt, the rain, the road salt, crap on the roads, road salt, being out on the road salt, rain. It's then the metal has been contaminated by that. The metal then has the reaction of corrosion, and that could be an electrical connection as well, because electrical wires corrode as well. So winter can cause a lot of problems for motorcycles, and yeah, it's terrible when it happens. It's like
the way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.